Hi, my name is Andres Hernandez Alvarez, and I am studying the one. My topic is semiconductors manufacturing a deep dive. These presentations delves into the intricate process of semiconductors manufacturing. The ignites, decay, steps, and the technology involves in creating the ubiquitous chips that power on modern world. And the semiconductors manufacturing involves a three main stage. The number one is the front and then manufacturing building the foundation. Uh, the subtopic number one is the wafer preparation. The wafer preparation is the silicon wafer in the growth of the clean and the other preparation steps to the onshore clean the surface for the subcon process. The subtopic number two is the position. This is the film of materials like the silicon or metal oxides are applied to the wafer using techniques like the cycle vapor deposition, PVD or chemical vapor deposition. This is CB or CBD. This film from the fundate for the intricate circuitry. And the subtopic number three is the photolithography. The pattern is the create of the wafer using ultraviolet light of photoresist and the photomask. The process defines the shapes and the size of the transitions of wires and the other features. And the subtopic number four is the etching, the in white. For the portion of the deposition, the frames are removed using techniques are revealing to the pattern the futurists defined by photography. And the number five, this is subtopic, is the ion inflation. This is the doping. Doped is the atoms are the implanted into the silicon wafer to the modify is electrical properties, creating the irrigations of the N tape and the P tape, the silicons that form the basis of transistors. The number two is the wafer proving the ensure the functionality, and the subtopic number one is the automated testing. The the individual chip on the wafer is the tested to the ensure functionality. This is the crucial the steps involves and apply the electrical signal to the day and the measuring this the responsor and the fact that these are in the fate and the market for removal before the next stage. And the number two is the defect removal, that is the file the functionality that are removed from the wafer using the laser or other specialty equipment is to ensure that only the functional chips that are included in the final product. And the number three is the back and then the manufacturing and assembling the final chip. Then topic number one is the dicing. The wafer is the cut individual dice using a especially diamond and this process separates the individual chips at the while the inspection they use it in the electronic device. And the number two is the wiring and packing. The wiring and packing is the wires that are attached to the dice which are then scattered in the productive material undergo final testing. The final testing is the finish the chips undergo. This is the rigorous process and involves the battery tests, the battery performance, and temperature tolerance, and other key departments. The finish is chips are ready to be integrated onto device like to the computers, cars, or mobile phones. It will be all for me, and I hope you like the topic that touched me. And thank you very much, and goodbye.